Every day, thousands of discarded animal bones arrive at this massive recycling factory, where after inspection, the cleaned animal bones are carefully unloaded and transferred onto automated conveyor systems, beginning their journey through the recycling process. Advanced optical scanners inspect every bone, while automated sorting systems separate premium pieces from smaller fragments with remarkable speed and precision. Powerful high-pressure washing systems remove dust and surface impurities, preparing each bone for the advanced sterilization process that follows. Large industrial boiling tanks remove natural oils and remaining impurities, ensuring every bone is thoroughly purified before precision manufacturing begins. A controlled whitening treatment brightens the bone's surface while preserving its natural strength, preparing the material for precision cutting and shaping. Computer-controlled diamond saws transform each dried bone into perfectly measured blocks, maximizing material quality while minimizing production waste. Precision CNC milling machines shape every bone block into perfectly round button blanks, maintaining micron-level accuracy for premium quality manufacturing. Computer-guided micro-drills create perfectly centered sewing holes, while automated vision systems verify every button meets strict manufacturing standards. Diamond finishing tools carefully round every edge, creating a smooth, comfortable profile while preserving the button's precise dimensions and natural appearance.
Computer-controlled diamond saws transform each dried bone into perfectly measured blocks, maximizing material quality while minimizing production waste.
Controlled vibratory polishing removes microscopic imperfections, producing a smooth satin finish that highlights the natural beauty of every bone button. Advanced AI vision systems inspect every button in seconds, ensuring precise dimensions, perfect alignment, and premium surface quality before final packaging. Soft cotton buffing wheels create a premium satin gloss, while intelligent vision systems inspect every button to ensure flawless quality. Automated packaging systems count, arrange, and seal every premium button set, preparing each package for distribution to fashion manufacturers worldwide. After passing every quality inspection, the finished products are carefully loaded for international shipment, ready to supply fashion manufacturers around the world. Fully automated packaging lines seal, label, and inspect every shipment, ensuring each carton is accurately prepared for global distribution. Kivas. From discarded animal bones to premium fashion buttons, this remarkable manufacturing process demonstrates how these precision-crafted bone buttons are delivered directly to garment factories, where automated sewing systems transform them into premium fashion products. Every premium button undergoes one final optical inspection, ensuring its natural beauty and flawless craftsmanship meet international quality standards. Automated storage systems organize every shipment with remarkable precision, ensuring complete traceability before products are dispatched to customers worldwide. Each shipment is wrapped, measured, and digitally verified before being loaded into export containers for safe transportation across international markets. Under powerful digital microscopes, every button is examined at microscopic scale to ensure its natural texture and flawless surface meet premium quality standards. A final digital certification records every approved button, providing complete production traceability and ensuring consistent quality throughout the manufacturing process. The completed buttons merge into an automated collection system, where continuous production is carefully monitored before final shipment preparation. From a centralized control room, engineers monitor every stage of production, ensuring efficiency, consistency, and automatic tool replacement keeps the production line running with exceptional precision, minimizing downtime while maintaining consistent product quality. Artificial intelligence analyzes every button's color, texture, and finish, ensuring a consistent premium appearance across the entire production line. High-speed robotic systems organize every button into precision batches, ensuring complete traceability and efficient handling throughout the final production process. Every production batch is digitally verified for quantity, weight, and dimensional consistency before moving to the final preparation stage. A precision protective finish enhances the natural appearance of each button while helping preserve its durability throughout years of everyday use. Before leaving the production floor, every verified batch is securely organized and digitally registered for seamless movement through the factory's distribution system. With production complete, every approved batch is digitally registered and staged for dispatch, ensuring full traceability throughout the factory's distribution system. Smart logistics systems automatically transport verified production batches through the factory, ensuring fast, accurate, and fully traceable internal distribution. Precision robotic cranes transfer every verified production batch with millimeter accuracy, completing the final stage of the factory's automated logistics process. Precision robotic cranes transfer every verified production batch with millimeter accuracy, completing the final stage of the factory's automated logistics process. From raw recycled material to precision-crafted luxury products, Every stage of this factory combines advanced. Every production cycle begins with careful receiving and inspection, ensuring only approved materials enter the advanced recycling process. Advanced cleaning systems prepare the recycled bone material by removing unwanted residues and creating a consistent foundation for the next manufacturing stages. Precision diamond cutting transforms selected bone material into uniform blocks, creating the perfect foundation for detailed luxury manufacturing. Intelligent grading systems analyze every piece of material, selecting the highest quality sections for premium manufacturing applications. Advanced shaping technology refines each prepared block with extreme accuracy, creating smooth forms ready for detailed craftsmanship. Combining human craftsmanship with precision technology, skilled artisans transform each piece with intricate designs and luxury-level details. Through controlled polishing and finishing techniques, each piece achieves a smooth, luxury appearance while preserving its unique natural character. The final assembly stage combines precision engineering and expert craftsmanship, transforming refined bone material into premium luxury products.
Carefully designed packaging protects each finished product while preserving the premium image of these handcrafted luxury items.
Before reaching customers, every luxury piece undergoes a final inspection to guarantee exceptional quality, detail, and craftsmanship. Before leaving the factory, every luxury product receives final documentation, protective packaging, and complete export verification. The final shipment is carefully positioned and secured, protecting every luxury product as it begins its journey from the factory to global markets. At the loading dock, advanced logistics systems carefully transfer finished products for their final journey beyond the factory. After a complex industrial journey, recycled bone material is transformed into refined luxury products, combining sustainability with craftsmanship. Advanced tracking systems record every step of the journey, ensuring complete transparency from production line to final destination. This is the future of industrial recycling, where discarded materials are given new life through technology, innovation, and human craftsmanship. Through innovation and responsible manufacturing, discarded materials can be transformed into valuable creations with beauty, purpose, and craftsmanship. Even after shipment, the factory continues operating around the clock, transforming recycled materials into carefully crafted premium products.